Hello everybody! Today I'm going to tell you the story about Color Monster. Are you ready? Let's go. The Color Monster. Wow! Many colors. Yellow, green, red, black, blue. Oh, maybe we are going to talk about colors. Hmm. This is my friend, the color monster. Today he's all mixed up and very confused. He doesn't know why. Oh, my friend, why are you so confused? Oh, this is Anna. Anna is her friend. Oh, said Anna, look at you. You are all over the place. What's happened to you, my friend? Maybe Anna wants to help him. Okay. Oh, I know why, says Anna. That's because your feelings are all stirred together, so your colors are too. Oh, I know. Let's put its feelings in a different jar so we can look at it more closely. I can help if you like. All the bottles are empty. No color on it. This is happiness. Oh, what color is it? Let me think. Oh, I think it's yellow. It shines yellow like the sun and twinkles like the stars. Oh, did you like yellow? I like yellow. Wow, you feel bright and light. You laugh, you jump, you dance. You want to share the feelings with everyone. Oh, wow. Yeah, definitely I like yellow. Oh, what color is it? Is it blue? Yeah. This is sadness. Oh, look at his face, on her face. It's gentle like a blue rainy days. Very typical here in Galicia. Oh, sadness can make you cry. It can make you feel alone. But if you're sad, I hold your hand. Uy, uy. This is anger. It's blazes right like fire. Anger can make you want to stomp. Oh, angry. I shout, it's not fair. Wow, it's so angry. Are you angry? No, please. Oi, oi, this is fear. Oi, it is black like the night and hides in shadows like a scared cat. Oi, are you scared? No. No. Oi, oi, being afraid can make you feel very small and alone. If you are scared, tell me why and we'll walk through the forest Together. Yeah. Together forever. Oh, wow. This is calm. It's quiet like the trees and soft like their leaves. Ay, what color is it? I think this color is green. Yes. Now you are calm. You breathe slowly and deeply. Oh. You feel at peace. Take a deep breath. Are you feeling calm now? Yes. There, we finished. Here are your feelings, and each one has a different color. Blue, red, black, yellow, and green. They all are classified. Let's look at them together. The feeling and the color. Yellow is happiness. Blue is sadness. Red, anger. Black, fear. Green, calm. But maybe we have another color. Ta-da! Oh, wow. What's this? You look differently. Hi, color monster. Hey, how do you feel now? What color is it? What color is it? What color is it? It's pink. It's pink. And pink is love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. That's all, folks. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, color monster. Bye-bye, color monster.